Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can mention someone like your team member or coworker in your tasks and projects on monday.com so that the given person may be notified and, for instance, get redirected to the given task by mentioning him or her. So let us guide you through this and show you how to do it. Head over to monday.com, log into your account and select your workspace here in the left panel. And after that, go with one of the associated projects. I can go with this one here, and what you want to do guys next is click into the given task you would like to mention someone in. So I can go with task number 3, click into it. That is going to open up that task customization in the right panel. So here you may use the task description, for instance, to mention someone. You may do that by clicking on that button here, by simply using the add key or add button. And after that, select the user from that list below, or you may, for example, mention everyone on this board or everyone who's working on the given task, or your entire workspace or of your workspace members, or you may even invite completely new members by sending an invitation email and mention these as well. So that's basically it. As you can see, if I select that member's username, he or she will be mentioned automatically. And after that, you may add your you may add your text here, and that way mention the given user so that he or she may be redirected to that task and to your, I don't know, task description or instruction or hint or remark. And that's it. That's how it works in practice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.